Turbo 3D Max. What is Turbo Smooth in 3ds Max? Turbo 3D Max allows you to subdivide the geometry while inserting the angles of brand new faces at edges and sides, as well as use a solitary smoothing group for all faces in the item. The result of Turbo 3D Max is to round over edges as well as sides as if they had actually been filed or planned smooth. Use Turbo 3D Max specifications to control the size and also a variety of new faces, and also just how they impact the surface area of the things. You use Turbo to produce a non-uniform rational mesh smooth item, NURMS for brief. A NURMS object is similar to NURBS things because you can set various weights for every control vertex. The benefit of using the Turbo 3D Max option is a much less messy screen. When off, 3ds Max shows all faces added by Turbo Smooth. Thus, higher iterations worth results in a greater number of lines. Turbo Smooth's impact is most dramatic on sharp edges and also the very least noticeable on rounded surface areas. Usage Turbo Smooth on boxes and geometry with crisp angles. Avoid using it on spheres and similar items. 3ds Max utilizes smoothing groups to create hard, soft sides in between polygons, by splitting, combining vertex normal. When bordering polygons do not share the exact same smoothing group, this produces a hard edge between them. Maya usages harden side as well as soften edge to do the exact same thing. About 3D Max training certification. The Turbo 3D Max course for engineers, architects will help students as well as specialists to learn as well as master 3ds Max software devices. The candidates will also find out the essentials of 3D modeling as well as texturing in addition to 3D rendering. In general, the course will certainly assist the trainees to understand the software and also enhance their productivity. An effective training course will increase the productivity as well as the performance of the person. Generally, the program will certainly help the students grasp the software and enhance their performance. Significance of Turbo 3D Max training in 2021. Accreditation in Turbo 3D Max software demonstrates your capacities in one of the most demanding creative jobs in the marketplace today. Digital artists and teachers alike will benefit from the Autodesk accreditation procedure, as qualifications will help you get confidence with workshops as well as colleges. This course will certainly aid you to get ready for your qualification assessments by exposing you to the topics and materials on which you might be examined. The class will cover subjects such as modeling, video cameras, scene management, materials, rigging, interoperability, and also computer animation, with an emphasis on workflow. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abudhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Turbo 3D Max training in Dubai, Abudhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best 3D Max training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for 3ds Max training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/